just won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel's still in spin. And there's no telling who that is blaming for the loser. Now will be later to win, for the times they are changing.
Welcome everyone, I'm your host Linda Cooper and we are back with a brand new episode of Health is Wealth. Today we have with us an eminent physician from the field of homeopathy who is currently working as an assistant professor from Kent's Homeopathic Medical College. Hearty welcome to our one and only Dr. Melanie Matthew. So, Doctor, you have been working as a homeopath since last 15 years, right? So, how do you feel to be a homeopath in this age?
I really feel fortunate to be a homeopath because my roles are not just that of a physician but also as an assistant professor. I can teach, I can share my knowledge, and I can also motivate plenty of students.
So, Doctor, as a homeopath, how exactly have you contributed to the system of medicine in general?
It was basically a collective effort. Ours is a pioneer institute of homeopathy in South India. Our team of doctors have conducted numerous seminars and groundbreaking research activities. This evidence is a small step for us physicians, but a giant leap for homeopathy. That's the beauty of homeopathy. These research findings are our testimonies and contributions to homeopathy, as well as to the field of medicine in general.
Wow, that is really inspiring. But what about the perception of homeopathy among general public?
To answer this question, I have to share a real incident that happened just an hour ago before reaching your studio. After you invited me to this show, I booked an Uber to get here.
Dr. Melanie, where exactly your drop location?
MB Studios, Barris Tower, Bridge Road. Vijay, right?
Yeah, I'm Vijay. I'm staying nearby. By the way, you are allopathy doctor, right?
No, I'm a homeopathic doctor.
Homeopathy, yeah. Kind of Ayurveda.
What? The reality hit me so hard. Those innocent words of Vijay was a wake-up call for me as well as my entire homeopathic fraternity. What's the point of all these achievements when there is no impact in the life of people?
Yeah, Doctor, that's really true. So, how can you solve or what's the solution to end this problem?
Awareness is the key which could unlock the true potential of homeopathy. First of all, this platform of yours is a very good medium. Along with that, social media, we can put up peripheral centers and conduct many medical camps. By using all this, we could make homeopathy accessible to all and truly make a difference.
Just like majority of my audience, can you tell me what is exactly or what is the origin of homeopathy?
It's an alternative system of medicine invented by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann about 200 years ago in Germany. Currently, it is the second largest system of medicine in the world.
Okay, ma'am. So, can you tell me about the principle and how you choose a medicine and how your medicines are different from other system of medicine?
It is based on the principle like cure like. First of all, we consider the patient as a whole and collect the symptoms based on their mind and body in order to select a right medicine which covers all these features. So we give a lot of emphasis for individualization of patient.
Okay, so you said all the medicines are individualized. But how come they look all the same? For example, all are just pills and powders, right?
Actually, these powders and pills are just a medium to convey the curative properties of the medicine. It is the homeopathic medicine added to these pills and powders which are responsible for the curative power.
Okay, so I have heard so many people telling that homeopathic medicines are slow. Is that true?
No, it's not like that. See, when a right medicine is selected in a right dosage, it will give rapid, gentle, and permanent restoration of health with minimal side effects.
Thank you, Dr. Melanie, for giving us a lot of clarity regarding homeopathy. So, is there anything additional that you would like to convey to the audience?
Yes, it's basically a Latin phrase mentioned by Dr. Hahnemann in his first page of the book Organ of Medicine. It's also a principle on which I live by, which will definitely help you too. The phrase is Ode Sapere, which means dare to be wise.